I am so psyched. It's test drive day. Finally, today is the day I've been waiting for. 20 to 30 hours of work. I kind of lost track, to be honest. I've gone through and double checked from underneath and from the front that the belt pathway is clear of any wires or hoses or anything like that. I cycled the key a couple times to make sure we don't have any fuel leaks. Nothing worse than a fuel leak to wreck your day. I took the A&A base tune and I double checked it just to make sure I didn't see anything in there that I didn't like. The main things I was looking for is making sure the timing tables were very low and also making sure the fueling is generous, because the last thing you want to do is get detonation and blow a piston on your first time out. In the tuning phase, I'll be starting with just drivability and then little pulls, like 1500 to 2500 RPM, and then kind of work my way up, sneak up on the tune if you will. But right now is the big day. If I did everything right, there won't be any surprises. So let's get on with it. Kind of like the whine. A little bit of a telltale sign that something's a little bit different underneath the hood. Well, that was a successful startup. I crawled underneath as well, make sure there's no leaks, no other things that look unusual. Right now, I'm going to go for a test drive and see how things go. Always good to make sure everything looks okay. Good oil pressure. Let it warm up a little bit here. This is my favorite gauge ever, Aeroforce scan gauge. I'll do a video on this some other day, but you can scan every single parameter that the OBD2 computer system has. Here I've got the long-term fuel trims pulled up. The absolutely necessary gauge is the boost gauge. We'll need this a little bit here to make sure the supercharger is making the boost that it needs to make. And also, it's a good tool. If you know it wide open, you usually have a certain amount of boost. If you ever get belt slippage or something like that, your boost will be low. So maybe before you can hear the belt slippage, it'd show up on the boost gauge that your boost is lower than normal. So just a couple things. So let's take this thing for a ride. Hey guys, that does it for part 8 and the finale of the A&A Vortech C5 Corvette build. If you like this series, please hit thumbs up and subscribe. If you missed any of them, they're available on my YouTube channel, Toys for Life C5. Hope you enjoyed it, thanks, and go out there and build something.